Hey JV, Dylan Kingsbury here. Today I am just going to show you a quick demo of my new plugin. It's called WP Site Catcher. Basically what it is it's a WordPress site creation plugin. But I'll get into everything right now. This is just going to be a quick video. This is just coming through beta testing right now. We're adding some more features. We're working out some bugs. We're making it the best it can be. But I just wanted to get a video up to show you exactly what you would be mailing, so you can see ahead of time and you can get everything in order. So this is WP Site Catcher right here. This is my administration area. All I would have to do right here is put in my domain name. So for this demo, I'm going to use naturalfacewash.info. Okay, copy that. Put in my cPanel username. Put in my cPanel password. Obviously, you can't see that. Put in my cPanel port. Now, because I'm using HostGator, my port is not 2082. It would be 208. Or sorry, not 2087. It would be 2082. Make sure auto create MySQL or MySQL database and user is checked, and make sure install WordPress now is checked. All right, now these are just your WordPress preferences, so you can customize your installation. You can put whatever you want here. I'll just put face wash. Blog title will be natural face wash. Sure. Say password 1. Administration email would be admin@dylankingsbury.com. Allow blog to appear in search engines. Yes. Click add blog when you're done that. Now what this is doing is it's going through and it's installing WordPress on that system. It's basically accessing my cPanel and installing it for me. When this is done, I'll get a nice confirmation message at the top of the screen that will say whether WordPress was successfully installed or not. If not, then what error I had. If it was installed successfully, then it'll say that. It'll give me my passwords, send my email out to me. In this instance, it would send to admin@dylankingsbury.com with my password, my database information, all that stuff. So I'm just going to pause that. Oh, I don't need to pause it. There we go. So new database user, blah, 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 my password, which you can't see, and then there's my domain name. Now, I'm going to load this. Actually, I just copied it, didn't I? So I'm going to load it. I don't need to load it in a proxy. So naturalfacewash.info, so you can see that we have our installation. Okay, so now we come back and we go to scrape. Okay, so this is the content scraping aspect. Now what we have here is all the posts that are able to be scraped. So let's just put in acne. All right, so we'll click search. You can see we have a relevance gauge right here. So this will tell you how relevant these posts are to your keyword. Now we're working on improving this even more. It is pretty good at scraping relevant content right now, but we want to make it the best it can possibly be. So you can see this is the post that we have. You can see all the content that way. You know, if there's images or videos or things like that that you don't want on your post, then you can see that and move on to the next one. Now, top 5 things to avoid if you have acne. I like this post. I'm going to click Save as Post. Okay, so now this is going to give me a confirmation message saying that this post was saved. I apologize for my internet speed. I live in the country. So post, top 5 things to avoid if you have acne, created successfully. I'll come down here to posts. Now shortly we're integrating the Best Spinner API, so we're going to be able to spin all these posts before we post them to our websites. So you can see these are my blogs that I have hooked up right here. Okay, I'll drop this down. You'll see uncategorized only because I just installed it. If I want to put a new category in, I can click create. Just put acne face wash, click enter. That's going to be automatically created. I come over to top 5 things to avoid if you have acne. Click that. Click here. Click schedule post. So now you can see that all we have here is schedule post. That's going to be changed. We're going to have the ability to post right away, schedule the post, and you can see this is only the date. we're adding the time as well, and we're going to be able to save it as a draft. So if the user wants to go back through and SEO optimize it, or if he wants to add videos, pictures, anything like that, then he'll be able to. And update the blog. And you can see post top 5 things to avoid if you have acne, created in naturalfacewash.info. Now let's see. There we go. So top 5 things to avoid if you have acne. It's been posted. Again, these are able to be spun now. If we want to save them as drafts, we can. That way we can optimize them. Now this is just a quick overview. Another thing that we're doing in my previous, my OTO is going to be WP Webcatcher. Now what I've integrated here is in the domains the ability to come in and click export domains. Alright, now what this allows us to do is if I want to create an entire network of sites, I can put 50, 60, 70 websites into this within a day or two. Okay, I'll come over to export domains, click here to export domains. I can click that. I can come over to WP Webcatcher, and I can import all those domains into WP Webcatcher. Now these work synergistically because they're created for one another. Okay, we created WP Webcatcher before or prior to WP Sitecatcher, and we thought what better plugin to create than an actual site creator. So you can literally create all your websites in one day. I can put up 60 websites in a day, export all the information, import it here, come over to my packages. I don't know if you've seen this plugin or not, but it's basically you upload all your plugins and themes to all of your websites all at the same time. But I can click manage blogs here, and I can literally just come in and click all my blogs if I'd like. On update blogs, I can click all my blogs if I'd like. I can add all these plugins. I can add my theme and just click update blogs. All these plugins are automatically installed and activated. Any themes I choose will automatically be installed. It's a super powerful system. I can get a network of 100 websites up and running in 2 days. Alright, so that's the quick demo that I wanted to show you. We're launching June 17th. It's a Sunday. There shouldn't really be anything else to launch that day. People don't seem to like launching on Sundays. I love it. 11 a.m. We are starting at $9.90. We're going to dime sale it up to $17. The OTO is going to start at $37 with a down sell to $17. We're going to have a second OTO, which is a blogging course that I'm creating, that will go for $9.90. It's going to kill it. This is going to make you a ton of money. You don't want to miss it. I'm guaranteeing you that. My launches keep getting bigger, and I'm telling you this one's going to be huge. So mark your calendars, June 17th to Sunday, 11 a.m. I have a JV page for you. It's got swipes, it's got pre-sale bonuses, it's got everything for you. Check that out. I'll have that in the description below this video. And I appreciate you guys, man. Like, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. So I appreciate everything, and I hope I can make some good money. Thanks a lot.